Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your workspace. Enable priority inbox and keyboard shortcuts so you move fast. Next, do a quick sweep, unsub from obvious newsletters and sweep similar senders. Once done, create 3 labels: Action, Read, Archive. This gives immediate routing. Now open the oldest 50 messages and apply one of those labels, Archive or Delete. This first triage reduces noise immediately and builds momentum. Make sure to keep the pace steady. Not perfectionist at this stage. Now you scale with rules. Create filters that auto-archive newsletters, label receipts, and mark VIPs important. Use search operators like from, has, attachment, and subject. To find groups, this is how you hit many messages at once. Once you have a result, select all conversations in the search and apply labels, archive, or delete in batches. Because filters run automatically, future emails are pre-sorted. Keep checking the action label. It becomes your short to-do queue, not a storage pile. Finish by clearing the action label. Use the 2-minute rule, do quick replies, schedule deeper tasks, or convert to calendar items. Then empty spam and trash and mute persistent group threads that keep returning. If something keeps reappearing, troubleshoot. Review and recreate filters, check filter order, and ensure senders aren't on a safe list that bypasses rules. Finally, set a 10-minute daily inbox habit. This keeps zero sustainable, not a one-time sprint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.